Hello guys, ayan, I'm here in the Keller. I'm going to grab or get my bike. Ayan, we're going in the bank again. We're going to see how much I will earn or how much I earn this month in OnlyFans. But before that, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. O, diba?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't
So
fade.
guys, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Ayan guys, I'm going to grab my e-bike. So we're going in the bank. So ayan guys, we're going in the bank again. We're going to see how much I earned this month in OF in my OnlyFans. Ayan guys, come on, let's go na. You see, I am biking still. You see? So guys, tignan natin. Okay, let's see. Sa yun ang ating bangko na may S na red. O, diba? So ayan guys, papasok tayo dito sa bangko. Kunin natin, tingnan natin ulit kung may pera na dumating from OF. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys, eto na, pakita ko sa inyo ang OF ko, ang aking OnlyFans. Ayan. So ayan guys, ang Phoenix International, ayan nakalagay siya. Phoenix International, ayan ha, yung nandyan yung kuko ko. Phoenix International. So pakita ko sa inyo guys kung magkano. Guys, ayan ang Phoenix International. Ayan, Phoenix International. Guys, dumating na siya 1,086 o 1,000, yeah, 1,086 guys. Guys, ang OnlyFans is pag marami kayong subscribe at maraming tip, ayan guys, maraming tip ako sa OnlyFans ko at maraming super utog-utog sa OnlyFans. Kaya ayan, kumita tayo ng 1,086 euro. O, di ba guys? O, bumili na tayo ng julahas. So ayan guys, hello mga kalindog, ayan. So nakita ninyo guys, did you see how much did I earn in OnlyFans? 1,086, ayan. Just if you have guys, you have something to ask about OnlyFans, just write down below and I will tell you kung paano kumita sa OnlyFans. Of course, the first key to earn in OnlyFans, ayan, magiging, of course, so ang susi is you need to be beautiful, Charles. And, of course, kailangan, sorry. So, ayan guys. Sorry ha. Wait, mga kalindog. Tulad ng sinabi ko, as I can say guys, ayan, ang key of being sa, ang key para kumita sa OnlyFans is kailangan maging malandi. O yan, malandi sa mga inyong mga subscribers. Ayan guys, yun lang. Ayan guys, no, nakita ninyo or did you see, that is from Phoenix. Pag TikTok or if you are earn or sumahod sa TikTok, ang magbibigay naman sa inyo is from Pipo. Ayan guys, diba? So pakita ko sa inyo para i-confirm. So this is it, pansit. So ayan guys, o Phoenix, diba? Phoenix International, ayan yan, o diba? Today is August 1st, 2022, ayan, diba? Yan guys, ang ating kinita, 1,086, o diba? That's it guys, kasi you will need what is okay, if you are in OnlyFans, you need to set your salary, for example 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 1 month. So ako kasi I did it, ginawa ko every month, every first of month. So that's why I earn or I receive my salary every first of the month. Ayan, you need to fix it only. Meron doon sa OnlyFans, doon yung ipipix kung when did you get your salary. Okay. Guys, maligaya na naman ang inyong alindog dahil marami tayong tips from OnlyFans. Charot. So, thank you. Mwah! Guys, as I told you, always and forever, don't forget to smile. O, diba? Enjoy lang. Enjoy life. Life is too short. Kaya yan guys. So ayan, magluluto na ako. I'm going to prepare na my dinner. So ayan guys. So Pakita ko sa inyo si Lucky. Ayan, o diba? Meron naman kami pang shopping ni Lucky and Victoria. Ayan. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my new video. So bye!